Ekero tugatie amatuko amakeyo gucunyara koba togwaka chikura cha IBC na boigo chunyara koba chikurigia omurai wense ense ya Kenya musana no nyako bago kobaro egati yo murai we kubwatana kwa na Raila Odinga na boigo bali bande baganya koba kuri chikure echo ensemo na boigo yo murai jasinga giejiga Uhuru Kenyatta nigo banyako bakumusana ne goro chitariki na boigo amonjo lyo baganite nyako bago kolekana sensemi ya IBC eri chikura nyako ba chikobe kubene chukure chigani cyanya ko bachigoteranigwa weteranga obutogano bwanya ko bokorrekana ro weterano gona chiwe nyumba nene ya Supreme Court koranga mamochona arenga ro asoko mutangazo Uhuru Kenyatta ko bomurai wense weterane chukure cyanya ko bachibwa ko tarigisa no seto mutinyo gatano gato mwaka oyo iga o 2017 Rosemary Obara no yamubwa bali abonya ko bakorigereria nabo igo kunyana ko bakomurira chikura Uhuru Kenyatta nani gatebire nga abakenya tigabaye guri bali ochunya ko bagwa chikura kitariki 25 nemo ibanya ko bakokorega sia abere ndonge.
That reason I'm positive after 26 karotongo cha kwa chikura ande mwamugusi ninde sure muri tayari koira ni biashara byeito bigende Homa Bay bigende Kisumu tuire Chindagara tuire Migori tuire everywhere na barabara atachinsuka igana chibas will rotate. I'm positive that we have elections on 26th korengana na machiko IBC. I believe Maraga was a very intelligent man. Kerago tebabuna to akechikura within 60 days. That's a supreme order. It is not an Uhuru order, it's not a Raila order. But Raila took it to court. Akayago that initiative. I respect Raila, I respect the Supreme Court, and I want to respect IBC to have given Chitariki 26th as the election date to be the 60 days so that Kenyans can go back to work to rejuvenate ourselves so that togenda rene biashara kirege tokegenda rere umongino ndio otabwatikende anyora
nigo boiganya ko bagote bange biasara n'ibinte binge byengencunya ko bigotenena guterena mukungsano kwa gisiasa satebire nga ucunyara ko kogendera nabo igokini ebitogi bigonya ko bigotoka sinsemo no gutigera bakanyamanya ko bawoka chikure echo
ondo mwenye biashara ase a town ya Kisii here Kisii County ontagatagote babuna nago kire sana tutukori yare rogote babuna IBC nere tayari gukora chikura and I'm positive ikiagara oise kurigirira buno mwenye biashara biasarekire besanchiyo karako ande chiro bangamba bwati besa karako genda gaigas kitaxi mbabwati besa karako andandons. There is no money. The economy has actually died. Even to check a dollar rate in the account in Kanyorabuna, even sending $100 to America, also one or no school, the dollar rate is $100. We are spending 12,000 shillings. So that means the Kenyan currency has actually gone very, very down. It is poor.
Nigo boiga atebire nga ochi akogosigwa kwa bande bali utari tujugwa chikure echo negento kerekebe na igo umurai wo kubatana kwana sana takironya kwa wagote y'abantu baye kimaine na so chiko batebya igo yugo chugwa chikure echo asenjerere ndonge akogara nense moiro ase katiba ya Kenya.
I want, with that due respect, I want to say, all said and done, I wish my candidate Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta a victory on 26th in this coming election.
Asoko musana no kuiga ainoro chinga andake position na serikali basikunya ngo bakomina na akarwa gote amasunya ngo bagutangasa amangana makongu chikura gitasukunya ngo bachigwa
asoko asebinte bibakunya gokora ebine nko biroke bitisho nande twarosire bitisho aba Kenya no gende siko gati no gende batabo bagusukume mekokoteni ebine bitisho nande barosire na barabo mbata itukonya gusukume mekokoteni batari kwa kanwe kyagera bakondetera mache na batebi moche marogo batinda on ebine bitisho mbigo tokonya
ambose mikiurawe omwakie kura ora skin semo ao igoro yochuka kachikure chiga ekera bandu bagoteba nganto akabande bateba chiako
chenta tawateba omo Kenya nabwate gento gekoro ku democracy ekiraila arwanerete na ndemo sigete onyo bwate that democracy ti tero rekana buna abakenya kogenda bari kurwana buna nguji bari kurwania abantu bagwaka chikura onye mbate getikwaka tigaba beresko lakini mbaba isokocha koro kichisehi esengencho ye chikura tiga democracy ekoregas nande I believe in English etogokeroka fundamental human rights. Let it prevail. If I have a choice, if I have Uhuru Kenyatta, I'll vote for him. Imate ballot paper ngoso Mary Raila. I'm sure ntobwata candidates bagocha kwakira Raila ntobwata nonyo court. So we have candidates nonya go say na kibakoro kwa bari bande 6 whatever they are, but I want to say ndata stop anybody from voting to be peaceful, because abantu baito bamenyete in different parts of the world. Abagere bamete bugikoyo, abagikoyo bamete Kisi, abagikoyo bamete bogere, abagikoyo bamete Busigis. Ntoba esa koreta riverera rigocha kwata nense yetu. And I want to quote Raila saying Kenya is a greater place than ourselves. Na Uhuru agateba buna, let's not fight. Na Raila agateba, there will be no more bloodshed because of election. I hope he respects his word. There will be no bloodshed after election.
Wadoko musana no koiga na kwanya ko konya na ko kwenekigwa kulende bono nkelianga obolendi banyaka obokobe kwa rowetera no wetera ne chingwanya kwa chikurwegwa no moteneri wa security Fred Matiangi babayigo no gochikubatera na provincial administration iri gochikwenekya ngabantu bonsanya ko bakwenya no libaga bali batatinya ko bagwa kachikura ko ne chinkwana cyo murai wense babayigo bali bya bachonya ko batari kuwaka na bachikuwaka chikura isuri tukelio buri wetera manyaka tingeti amaleta nche Gilbert Kobi.